Envision your business as an orchestra, where each member plays a unique role in the symphony of success. Within OOM, we recognize the transformative potential that comes when we give individuals the information that equips them to make informed decisions and drive progress in their respective area. Just as a conductor provides a wide range of musical cues to different sections of an orchestra, a manager can empower their team members to find the relevant information to excel in their roles. By incorporating both observational and numerical data, you lay a strong foundation for data-driven decision-making across your organization. This means promoting a culture of inquiry and exploration, where each team member actively questions and seeks insights from the information available. This approach kindles innovation, reveals new perspectives, and paves the way for creative solutions to business challenges. OOM asks, how can we ensure each team member has access to the necessary data or notes for informed decision-making within their domain of responsibility? How can we effectively blend observational insights and hard data to gain a holistic understanding of our business status quo? How can we encourage a culture that prizes curiosity, questioning, and data-driven analysis as foundational aspects of our everyday operations?